back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have an AliExpress purse haul review video for you guys. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram if you're not already following me. Let me know down below, do you still shop AliExpress like that? Do y'all still like AliExpress? Because I don't find that I shop there as often as I used to. Well, actually, it's not like I shop there a lot, but there's definitely a point in life where I was buying a lot from them. But yeah, anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see by the title, okay, I bought a fake Birkin bag. Okay, you can't go anywhere, like especially within pop culture, and not hear about this Birkin bag. It's in the music, it's down to the pictures you see on Instagram. Every IG model, every celebrity, all of them have a Birkin bag. So I was like, okay, well, you know, I will not be buying a real Birkin bag, but let me go onto my good old friend AliExpress and see if I can find something. And guess what? Your girl sure did. Obviously, it's not a replica. It's more so like a little bit of a dupe, you know? So it's not gonna be spot on to what a real Hermes Birkin bag would look like. And yeah, I actually found myself going down a really deep rabbit hole learning about Birkin bags and how to acquire one and the most expensive ones. And let me just say, these bags are expensive. They can be into the 5, 6, 7 figure range for one of these bags. So before we get started, actually no, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the bag, and then I'm gonna show you guys something else. So this is the bag that I got right here, and it is like this bright like pink. It looks more like bubblegum pink on the monitor, but in person it's more of like a hot pink. So this is what the bag looks like. And I wanted to show you guys something real quick, because actually I can't actually link down below where I got this bag from because it's no longer on AliExpress. So I wanted to show you guys a feature that a lot of people don't know about good old AliExpress. Let's say you see your favorite celebrity influencer with something on and it's quite pricey, or you just see something and you want something similar to it but you don't know where to start looking. So for AliExpress, what you're gonna do, let me start screen recording. So what you would do is you're gonna go ahead and go on the app, and in the upper right hand corner there's gonna be a little camera icon. We're gonna go ahead and click that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the purse. So this is a purse right here, and I'm gonna hit the little button in the middle, and it's gonna scan its website. And do you guys see? You can see everything on AliExpress that looks like this, and you can just scroll through. Now, I like to go, if I'm gonna buy something, I like to go with the one that has more sold. So for example, if I scroll back up, let's see, actually, no, this one right here. So like this one right here has 11 sold. So typically I'll look through and I'm like, okay, well that has 11, this has like that number, and I kind of go from there. So yeah, that is how you look through AliExpress instead of just typing stuff in or just scrolling all day. That is typically how I like to find things. So that's exactly how I kind of found this bag, because I don't want to just type in Birkin bag dupe. I mean, I feel like you can, but I don't want to do that. And then I specifically saw, I think it was Jada Wada. She had like a pink bag and a pink Birkin. And I was like, oh, I want something like that. Or was it Kate Spade? No, sorry, not Kate Spade, Teddy Blake. It was a Birkin bag. It was a Birkin bag. Anyways, so this is what this one looks like. And it comes with a little lock. So typically the Birkin bags come with a lock. Like obviously, I feel like there's a smaller, because I was looking to see what the difference is between a real Birkin and a fake one. And this video would have been a lot more fun if I had a real one, but listen, yeah, no. So I'm gonna hold this here because it's gonna keep throwing me out of focus. So anyways, it comes with this padlock, which honestly just looks a little bogus compared to the bag. I feel like definitely the real Birkin looks a lot more, it looks like it's supposed to be there. This honestly just really looks out of place. And then also, right here is where the key is kept. So usually on the Birkin bag, they would have the key there. And then Hermes usually has like their own like branding and what stuff here as well too. And then you open the bag. Let me go ahead and pop these open. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that's another thing. So I feel like the actual Birkin bag will be a lot easier to open up. So yeah, you would just go ahead and I'm just gonna open this. Okay, so I finally got the bag open. Yes, and it does come with a strap. What else is coming? It comes with padding too. So this is the inside of the bag. Let me take this padding out. which I like. One thing I would say about AliExpress is, oh my gosh, the way they damn near package your bag to where it's like, do you even want me to open it? Like, it's so secured. And I love how they actually put like stuffing and stuff in there to keep the shape of the bag so it's not arriving to you all mushed. But this is the inside of the bag with nothing in there. So it has a compartment here. Well, yeah, it's just one big compartment there. And then on this back side there is a zipper over there too. So yeah, this is the bag like in itself. It's honestly, it's really cute. Like, I actually wanted to go back and get like a snake print one that's like not snake print, I don't even know if it's ostrich, I don't even know the different skin types, whatever, who cares, I don't. But there was one that was kind of like a vanilla cream type color that I wanted to go back for, but I just never did. So let me tell you guys about the shipping frame. So and how the price of this as well too. So I paid, let me go to good old AliExpress so I can get you the guys the exact stats of this one, since I can't link it down below since it doesn't exist anymore. I'll try and find one that's pretty good and link it down for anybody who wants to get this bag or who's interested. But so this particular bag, I paid $74.84. I got the 25 by 14 by 19 centimeter. The exact color is called 60 Rose Red. So this particular vendor offered 4 sizes, and I got the second to the smallest. I honestly don't think Birkin bags are ugly. I just think the really large ones are ugly. So therefore, I guess I do think it's ugly. I think when they're this size or smaller, they're cute. But when they start getting really big, they start looking like a briefcase. I definitely agree. So I wanted something small, and then also I'm not somebody that likes really large bags. I mean, if I wanted to wear this, I feel like this is a good size. Like, this is something that's still cute, that it can actually sit on the table. Like, I just feel like when the bag is just huge, it's like, god damn, the bag is just so big. I don't carry that much stuff with me when I go out. Usually keys, lip gloss, powder, yeah. I don't carry that much with me. So I typically like bags that are like this size, that are pretty on that are pretty small, but this is still a pretty good one. I just don't want the smallest one. I think this is really cute, and I feel like it's pretty good. Like, I mean, it's sturdy. Like, I mean, yeah. So I feel like it's a good way to, I mean, if you really want a Birkin, or you more so, not necessarily you want a Birkin. I don't feel like I truly want one, but I do like the style of it. I feel like you kind of get that with this. You will get the style of that purse. So anyways, that's that with that. I hope this video was helpful. It's a really short video. There's not really much to say about this. It's just one bag that I'm showing here, but I will have, if I can find one, I'll have it linked down below. But there's a chance because with AliExpress, whenever they do really good dupes or knockoffs of things, typically that vendor or seller can't be open for too long. Like, I guess they'll get flagged, and then they end up just taking it all down and then pulling back up with a different name and everything and trying to sell again. So that's why I want to show you guys a feature of how to like scan and find stuff on AliExpress. Make sure you read the reviews so that way you can see if it's legit. Try to go with the ones that have more sold. You can see how many times they sold that item. That way you can actually see more reviews on this as well too. Yeah, I think that's that with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if just let me know what you thought about this. You know, like, are you interested in this? I don't know, just sound off in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.